little fox.
Fun at Kids Central, Episode 6, Pizza Bagel Disasters. Nina took her apron out of her backpack. Miss Shelley had asked all the Kids Central kids to bring aprons today. Nina's apron was purple. It was a present from Aunt Soo-jong in Korea. Aunt Soo-jong visited the United States once a year.
Hey, Bobby. Nice apron.
Jason teased. Bobby was wearing a pink apron with ruffles.
It's my sister's,
Bobby grumbled.
What are you wearing?
My old pajamas.
Jason said.
It's also my smock for our class.
Buongiorno!
Miss Shelley called. She was wearing a chef's hat.
That's Italian for hello. Today we're going to make my favorite Italian food, pizza. But we're going to make small snack pizzas called pizza bagels.
I've eaten bagels. And I've eaten pizza. But I've never eaten pizza bagels before,
Nina said.
First, you can each take 6 bagel halves from the basket.
Miss Shelley told them.
Whoa! We each get 6!
Bobby cried.
Yep. What's next, Bobby?
Miss Shelley asked.
Spread pizza sauce on the bagels,
Bobby read. Nina spread the sauce in a circle on her bagels.
Wait, I need more.
Jason leaned over the table to take the jar from Nina. His bagels slipped off his dish.
Ah!
Nina jumped out of the way of the sliding bagels. Splat! Jason's bagels landed sauce side down on the gym floor.
Ooh!
Jason moaned.
Now what, Miss Shelley?
Sorry, we only had enough for 6 each. Someone will have to share with you,
Miss Shelley answered.
I'll share mine,
Bobby said.
Thank you, Bobby,
said Miss Shelley.
That's very kind.
Now, sprinkle shredded cheese on the bagels. Not too much.
Nina read out loud.
Yum! I love cheese.
Izzy cried.
Then choose a topping. Sprinkle it over the cheese.
Izzy read.
I pick bacon. I pick olives.
Nina said.
Look, I'm making a pizza pie.
The girls turned around. Bobby was tossing 2 bagels in the air. He was pretending to make pizza dough. Jason was laughing.
Boys, do not play with food,
Miss Shelley warned.
Whoa!
Bobby tripped and bumped into Jason. Their plate went flying into the air. Jason leaped to catch it, but it was too late.
6 more pizza bagels gone.
Miss Shelley sighed.
Well, let's put yours in the toaster oven, girls. Something is burning.
Miss Shelley ran to the toaster oven.
My pizza bagels!
Izzy cried.
Too much cheese!
Jason said. The cheese had dripped off the bagels. It was burnt onto the bottom of the oven.
But there are still 6 good pizza bagels here.
Miss Shelley pulled Nina's bagels out of the oven.
Enough for all of us.
Nina smiled.
Dig in, everyone. Thanks! Hooray for Nina!
Everyone cheered. Miss Shelley took off her chef's hat and put it on Nina's head. Nina beamed. She couldn't wait to make pizza bagels for Aunt Soo-jong.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.